Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Metamask wallet to JumpTask.io. First step is to download the extension of Metamask and open it. After this, connect Metamask, and next step is to visit the website jumpstock.io. Search in this Google and you can see here sign up button. Click on this. Here you can see many options. Sign in with Google, Facebook or Apple. Now you can see another option called connect with wallet. Click on this and then click on MetaMask wallet. After this you will see another pop-up notification. Connect the button and confirm this notification. After this, your website Jumpstock will be connected to your MetaMask wallet. Here you can cross-check by visiting Meta Wallets. Here you can see your ID. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel for daily videos. Thank you.